Hello everyone, this is Preeti Yadav. So today I am going to explain you chapter number 7 of class 2nd. The chapter name is Two Little Kittens. So in this chapter I will tell you students that if you are fighting unnecessary, that it can be a big disaster. So first of all I will tell you who is the poet of this poem. So Jane Taylor is the poet of this poem, and she was the great poet, means we can say the poetess and the great novelist. She also wrote that poem, The Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, in 1806, that at the age of 23. So which poem we are speaking from a childhood. Okay, so everyone, in this chapter I will tell you about the two little kittens. They were fighting, and why they are fighting and what happened with them, that also I will tell you. So please come on next page. Hello everyone. So first of all I want to read this full poem. So see, two little kittens one stormy night began to quarrel and then to fight. One had a mouse, the other had none, and that is the way the quarrel began. I'll have that mouse, said the biggest cat. You will have that mouse? We will see about that. I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. You should not have that mouse, the mouse said the little one. I told you before it was a stormy night when these two little kittens began to fight. The old woman seized her sweeping broom, that swept the two little right out of the room. The room was covered with frost and snow, and the two little kittens had nowhere to go. So they laid them down on the mat at the door while the old woman finished sweeping the floor. So let's start everyone. So in this, first of all, I want to read this first stanza again. That two little kittens means, everyone, I want to tell you that there were two little kittens. What is the kittens? The baby cat. Okay, there were two little baby cats, and on stormy night. What is a stormy? The strong wind. That we can say the cold night. Okay, so there were two little kittens. They were fighting on a cold night. Began to quarrel and then to fight. First of all, they were quarreling, and after some time, they used to fight. They used to fight, everyone. And one had a mouse and other had none. And that's the way the quarrel began. Means one cat was having a mouse, and second one cat was having nothing. So that is why that was the reason to quarrel between of them. So in this stanza the poet wants to say there were two little kittens. They were fighting on a cold night because one cat was having a mouse and second cat was having nothing. So that was the reason to fight between of them. So everyone, in second stanza what the poet wants to say that I will have that mouse, said the biggest cat. You will have that mouse? We will see about that. Means in this stanza I will have that mouse, said the eldest one. You should not have that mouse, said the little one. Means in this stanza the biggest one cat was saying that I will take that mouse, but the second one baby cat was saying, oh, you will take that mouse. Okay, we will see. So now eldest one again say, no, I will take that mouse because it's mine. And the second one was saying, no, you will not take this mouse. The second one was saying that, no, you will not take that mouse because it's mine. But the biggest one again saying, no, you are so much little, so that is why you will not take that mouse. I will take that mouse. So that is the reason, that is why they were fighting a lot on the cold night. I told you before it was a stormy night. Means in this, the poet wants to say that, as I already told you, it was a cold night, that because that time there was much winter. So the poet wants to say that when these two little kittens began to fight, the old woman seized her sweeping broom and swept the two little kittens right out of the room. Means when they were fighting, when the both cats were fighting, it was a very cold night, so they were fighting in a room. But there was also a woman. What the old woman has done? The old woman has seized her sweeping broom. Seized, we can say the snatch strongly. Okay, and broom we can say that which we are sweeping our floor. So that old woman snatched her broom very strongly, and she get out of them from the room. So, in this stanza, we can say that when the two little kittens were fighting everyone, so that time the old woman was sweeping the floor, and as she entered in the room, she snatched her broom very strongly, and she get out of them, these both little kittens, out of the room. So now last stanza everyone. The ground was covered with the first 10 straw and two little kittens had nowhere had to go. So it means everyone, the poet wants to say that as CA already told to us that there was a very cold night and the ground, means we can say that floor, the ground was completely covered with the fog, snow and fog. So that time the cats didn't have any place to go anywhere. So the kittens were not having any place to go anywhere because old woman already get out of them from the room. So now, the ground was completely covered with the fog. So they laid them down on the mat at the door while the old woman finished sweeping the floor. Till the woman was finishing her sweeping work, till then they were out of the room and they were forced to stay on the mat out of the door because they were fighting in the room. So as the old woman came in the room, she snatched her broom to them and she both came out of the room and they were forced to stay their night out of the room on the mat in a cold night. Okay everyone, so in this chapter we have learned about that we should not be fight this much कि other people should have problem. Okay everyone, I hope this chapter you have understood. Thank you.